How to block or report users on Grindr. If you run into someone on the Grindr who is making you uncomfortable or just being downright annoying, don't worry, there's a super easy way to deal with it. We are going to walk through exactly how to block or report someone on the app. It's all about keeping your experience on Grindr positive and safe. Let's do it together. For that, let's go to the inbox section. It's right over here. You can see one person's right over here. Let's tap on it. So inside this chat, let's tap on this 3 dots right over here. We can see top right corner. Tap on it, and there you can see an option called block and report, which is right over here. Block as a second option and report as a third option. However, I don't have any problem with this person, and blocking them or reporting them may affect them severely, so I'll not proceed you further, but I will be explaining you what will be the next. So if you just don't want to see the person's profile anymore, or they are sending the unwanted messages, simply tap on the block, which is the second option. This completely removes them from your view and they won't be able to see you either. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, if the user has broken the Grindr rules, maybe they are being abusive, sending inappropriate content, or impersonating someone, you have to report them. When you tap on report, you will usually see a few options to choose, like harassment, spam, or nudity. Pick the one that best fits the situation. This helps the Grindr team investigate and take action. And that's it. Blocking and reporting are quick and easy ways to manage your interaction on Grindr. If anything feels off, don't hesitate to use these features to protect yourself and keep the app a welcoming space for everyone. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.